The rear hatch on my Lexus RX350 is falling down. It sometimes acts erratically when it's going up and down, and then has fallen on my head a number of times. So today we're going to replace the air struts on both the left and the right side. I've supported the hatch using a stick of wood here, and I have my new parts purchased from a website, link in the description below. Let's remove the old air struts, and you do that by getting a hold of a flathead screwdriver, and there's a metal clip right here at the top of the air strut. Pop that out on the top and as well on the bottom. With that free, the air strut should just pop off the door. Be careful the door doesn't fall down. And then similarly down here. There we go. We'll do this one side at a time so we don't risk as much the door falling on top of us. Use a clean towel and wipe off the connection points on the vehicle, top and bottom. This part's optional, but I'm going to apply some grease to the vehicle connections. This is marine grease. Just a dab. And here as well. Smear it around. And now pop on the air strut. Make sure you assemble it in the same way it was originally assembled. The larger diameter portion is attached to the bottom side of the vehicle, and the smaller diameter portion attached to the upper part of the vehicle. And there it is, first new strut assembly assembled. Let's fix the other side. Both new strut assemblies are assembled, so let's see if this thing activates properly now. This is much smoother motion. Door's not falling at all. Let's try down. Works quite well. I hope this helps you with your project.